a family of fifth-generation ranchers, and we've been here since 1868.
My father-in-law, Roger, he runs the ranch side of things. My mother-in-law runs the lodging. Everybody has their own role, and when it comes to guided fly fishing, my husband and I run that operation.
And we're not afraid to jump in and help each other out if somebody needs help with one role. You can't look too far into the future because we don't know what the future holds. But if you take it a day at a time and look forward to the next day, you can make it through anything.
The whole joy with fly fishing is matching the hatch and discovering what the fish are feeding on. You have to evaluate the water and you have to evaluate the fish to see where they're feeding in the water column, to know if they're feeding on the nymphs, the emergers, the duns, or the spinners.
Some days we can get 20, 40 below. We get out and help the livestock, but we can jump back into that warm cab. It's a lot of work, but we have figured out how to be as efficient as possible.
I think my kids enjoy most about the ranch, the interaction between all of the family.
They like the horseback riding. They like to help us work the cattle. Definitely have respect for the past and a hope for the future that the grandchildren will continue this legacy that we've started.